Welcome to 9builders, where quality meets precision. Today we're taking you behind the scenes of our latest project, a retaining wall repair in the basement of a home in San Jose, California. Our team was called to address a critical issue, a deteriorating retaining wall in the basement, causing structural concerns and potential water damage. First, we carefully assess the damage, ensuring we understand the full scope of the issue. Every step of the process is crucial to providing a durable and long-lasting solution. Once the assessment is complete, we begin the process of excavation, removing damaged materials and preparing the site for new construction. Our team ensures minimal disruption to the surrounding areas. Next, we install high-quality materials, reinforced to withstand any future pressure. With precision and expertise, we ensure that the new retaining wall will support the basement for years to come. At 9builders, we're dedicated to providing you with top-tier construction services and dependable solutions. Whether you need retaining wall repairs or full home remodels, we've got you covered. 9builders, building better homes, one project at a time.